AT, what up, Beat It AT, what up, Beat It
What's going on, my brodies? It is Andrew Pugh here of Beat It AT Production and Publishing. I know for those of you who normally watch my videos and the content I post on this channel, I have not posted on here for quite some time. And for those of you that are new, you probably don't care about this little quick prep up, but essentially I was doing college and had to graduate, and so now I graduated, so I now have a lot of free time going towards music and YouTube. So you guys should be getting a whole lot more YouTube content from me and the team. So let's go ahead and get started. You guys see the title? That means we have a new free sample pack for you guys. All you guys need to do is go to the description down below and click the link, and then you'll be taken to a website, which is the Beat It AT website. Then sign in, because you need to be a member on our website, which is free. You can sign in, click the download link, you'll go to another page, and then you can finally download your drum kit that you want, or I mean the sample kit. Not drum kit. Now in this video I'm just going to go through what's inside of this kit. We are going to go through the drums first. So yeah, let's go ahead and look inside this kit. So here's the drums. The drum samples is where we have the one-shot drum samples, but the other folders like A-Trance, Floor 15, Heavens, these are actually the titles of some of the samples, and we actually made drum patterns to those samples. If you guys wanted to. We didn't do it to all the beats because we figured you guys will want to create your own drum samples, but we wanted to give you somewhat of a stepping stone or leg up. So let's go through some of this. We'll just play the master. We'll come back to the drum samples. And I will also lay one of these out with the sample so you guys can hear what it sounds together. Now I'm going to go through all the drum samples. A lot of these are more pop-esque or RnB. And all these are free. This is all free, available over at the beatitat.com or Beat It AT website. Link is in the description. So you guys don't need to buy anything to get this pack. It's just free. You guys just need to be a member. Here's now here are the loops. And we include all the stems in here, so giving you all these files, they are essentially royalty free. We don't ask for anything. However, if you do get a major placement or major label placement, industry artist, when we're dealing with a actual label and not independent artists, we would like you to contact us to clear it. If you're selling exclusive rights, it might be a little bit more tricky in that sense. All you guys need to do is just shoot me a DM, and we can discuss from there. But for those of you guys that are just wanting to make beats for yourself, post on SoundCloud, post on YouTube, Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, and it's all independent, or you're trying to sell beats on BeatStars, go ahead and use these. You don't need to cut us anything. But if you get exclusive rights or a major label or major industry artist deal, please contact me. Besides that, you're free to do what you want. So let's go ahead and put one of these drum patterns down and try and match it with one of the samples. So you guys can see how you can kind of get an idea. Use maybe the drum loops that we have as a reference point and create something of your own. I might go through one more just so we could show you guys. Let's go through Lounge Talk. There is actually a little bit of that. And then you guys could layer out a whole beat if you wanted to. If you guys were just starting and to make beats, you want to get some basic fundamentals going, grab this pack and just break everything down and see how we did it and try to replicate it. So I'm going to show you one more trick that you guys could do with this sample pack. So since we tell you guys the BPM of every sample, let's just grab what's melatonin. So this one's 130. Go to time, auto detect, type BPM 130. We got like 160. You get a whole different vibe. So that's just one way you can flip the sample, and you guys should know other ways if you've watched our videos. If not, go check out our YouTube channel. We have plenty of videos showing you guys how and what you can do to samples to make them the most out of them, make the most out of them. So yeah, this is Andrew, Beat It AT Production and Publishing. New free sample pack. Go to the description down below, click it, go to the website. So thank you guys, and I will see you guys soon. Adios.